Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SunFish video tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to submit an on-duty request using SunFish Mobile. So, let's not waste any time. Let's dive right in. You can find the on-duty request feature either in your Favorites tab, if you've set it there, or just head to the Menu tab and scroll down until you see the On-Duty Request button. On the main On-Duty Request page, you'll see a list of all your past submissions. To start a new request, tap the blue plus button on the bottom right corner. Here, fill in the required info like on-duty purpose type, origin, destination, and your on-duty date. Once that's done, your work schedule and any allowances you'll receive will appear. Want to make changes? No worries. Just tap the pencil icon at the top right. Don't forget to fill in the remarks about your on-duty purpose, and if needed, add any supporting documents via the Attachment tab. When everything looks good, tap Submit to send your request, or Save as Draft if you want to finish it later. You can also check out who your approvers are by tapping See Details. And when your on-duty is completed, don't forget to file an on-duty declaration to report your actual attendance and allowance usage. And that's it. You're all set to manage on-duty requests right from your phone.